Hi everyone, in today's video I'm going to teach you guys exactly how to wire a light in a single room. So now what we are going to do now is to draw the wire, is to put the wire. And the first thing we are going to do, we are going to draw our live and neutral wire from our distribution board to our star box here, and from this star box we draw from here to our switch, and it's going to come out here in our LED. So you can see our fissure here. So I'm going to put the live and neutral wire here and draw it to this star box here. So I'm going to put the two wire here. So when you put the wire there, you draw your fissure tape out, so you can see it. So you can see it's already come out. So I'm going to draw so that it will remain smoothly ahead. So now these two wire here, this live and neutral wire, we are going to connect our live wire to breaker here and this neutral wire to this neutral terminal here. So now what we are going to do is we are going to cut our neutral wire because neutral doesn't go to switch. So what I will do is that I'm going to cut our neutral wire this way here. And then this live wire, this is the live wire from our distribution cord. We are not going to connect our light bulb to this live wire here. What we are going to do is that this live wire, we are going to draw this live wire from here to our switch. Then we'll bring another one from our switch, come out here. That one is going to connect to our switch. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to measure this wire from here like this to here. So I'm going to cut it here. So now when we cut it, we are going to measure, we are going to mark it because this is a live wire. So I'm going to go ahead and use my plier and mark it this way. So you can see how I did it. You mark it this way. So now what we are going to do now is we are going to put our switch, our fishing tape from our switch to here, so that we will draw this one, go. So you can see, so this wire now, this is our live wire from our distribution board. We are going to put another red. That red is going to come out here. We are going to connect that red to our light bulb. So you can see the two right here. I'll put it this way. So you do it this way, and after that you draw. So you can see it. So I'll go ahead now and draw this one so that it will not be long much. So after that you cut it. So now this live wire from our distribution board, you can see the live wire here. So and this one now is this one that come here. So now these two wire, now we are going to connect this live wire to common terminal of our switch, and this one that come to our star box here will connect it to any one of our switch, so that when you turn it on, our light is going to turn on. So now what we are going to do now is we are going to connect our light bulb to this two wire here. This is neutral and this is the control cable from our switch. So we are going to connect these two wire to our light bulb, and these two connect our switch here. So let's go ahead now and connect our bulb. So this is the bulb we are going to use for this training. So we are going to connect our laproda to these two wire here. So let's go ahead and do that. So if you look here, you can see that this laproda has only two terminal, the live wire and the neutral wire, these two terminal. So let's go ahead and connect it. So the first thing I'm going to do is to peel out this. So this is how it's going to look. So now these two wire, we are going to connect our switch to this two wire. So we'll connect we'll connect this live wire. Remember, we'll connect this live wire to common terminal for our switch, and this second one to L1 for our switch. So let's go ahead and connect it. So here is the two wire we are going to connect. Remember, this one will mark this like this. This one will mark like this is our live wire, and this one is the one that connects our bulb. So we are going to connect this live wire to common terminal of our switch, and this second one to L1 of our switch. So when you look our switch, if you look our switch closely, you will see that here is the common terminal and here is the L1 of our switch. So let's go ahead and connect it. So the first thing, I'm going to peel the wire this way. So I'll peel it this way, and after the peeling, I'll bend it this way and connect it to common terminal of our switch. So this upside is the common terminal. So I'll lose it this way and put the wire and tighten it. And this second wire, we are going to connect this second wire to L1 of our switch. Here is the L1, so let's go ahead and connect it. So I'll go ahead and peel it and bend it this way and connect it to L1 of our switch. So I'll go ahead and lose the L1 and put the wire this way and tighten it. So this is how to do it. So let's go ahead now and put our switch. So for us to do that, we are going to remove this cover to be able to access the screw. So I'll do it like this, remove it this way, and you can see this is the two. So this is the cover, so we'll go ahead and cover it. So this is how it looks. So now we have successfully put our bulb and our switch. So what we are going to do here now is to connect this wire to our breaker. You can see this is the neutral terminal here. So we'll connect our live wire to our breaker and our neutral wire to this neutral terminal here. So let's go ahead and do that. So I'll bring my breaker and peel our live wire. So I'm going to connect this live wire to our breaker here. So let's go ahead and do that. So I'll close it this way. So now our neutral wire, we are going to connect it to this neutral connector here. So let's go ahead and do that. So I'll use my plier again and peel of the light. So I'm going to connect this neutral wire to this neutral terminal here. So we'll go ahead and use it and do that. So this is how to wire a light in a single row. So now we are done with the connection. So let's go ahead and test. So you can see the moment I turn the switch on, our light turns on automatically. So this is how to wire a light in a single room. It's very simple. So